In this video, we're going to show you how to install leveling legs on your washer. So to install your leveling leg, I just want to make sure you put a locking nut on it. Just thread it pretty well right down to the very bottom. Once you have the lock nut threaded down to pretty well to the bottom of the leveling leg, you can now install it onto the machine. So just insert the leveling leg, thread it up into the machine, bring it into position, and then set your machine back down on the floor, because you want to make sure your washer's level. Unlevel washers go to bounce and vibrate and jump all over the place. So everybody talks about their washer needing to be level. Well, there's two versions of level. There's level with an actual level, and you're looking to make sure that your machine is sitting in a level position left and right, as well as front and back. And that's mainly so that your machine looks good sitting beside the dryer or the counter, so that it doesn't look like it's off center or off to one side or whatever. But the manufacturer wants your machine to be level to the point that it doesn't rock, that it's sitting steady on the floor, that it's not tippy in either way. If it is, it's going to shake and dance on the floor. So if it's not quite right, you'll just want to lift your machine a little bit again, adjust that leg to where you need it to, so that when you put it back down, it's rock steady on the floor. And once you've got it to that position, you bring it back down, you check to make sure it's secure, and then you'll want to just tighten that leveling leg nut up into place. You'll thread it up till it's up against the cabinet. Take your wrench, in this case it's at 9/16, and tighten that lock nut. And tightening that lock nut stops that leveling leg from coming loose from vibration, and by doing that your machine will always stay in place. That's how easy it is to install a leveling leg.